Okay, the first thing we're gonna do is thread the punch needle with the pink. Can you see that? Okay. On the chart, it's labeled as color number 1, which goes to pink right here. And to thread the punch needle, you're gonna need this little wire doodad, and then your punch needle, and your pink yarn.
Three hours later.
Now it's time to thread the punch needle. And starting with A, we're going to insert the threader through the punch needle until the looped end of the wire appears at the other end. So, can you see that? That little loop here?
Yeah.
It's kind of hard to see because it's a really thin wire. But this is the front side and this is the back side of the punch needle. Just remember that for later. This is the front where it's carved out and hollow, and then the back side is solid. So I'm just gonna take this loop and insert it from the back, and then I kind of have to bend it down and thread it down into the punch needle like that, and then you'll see it come out over here, okay? And then the next thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take my loop of pink yarn and I'm gonna thread it through that wire loop like that. And then I'm just gonna pull the wire loop through like that. And that's how you thread your punch needle.